You know that feeling when you nail the perfect cook on the grill or smoker and your friends can't stop talking about it? I'm David from the Barbecue Lab, and if it's anything outdoor cooking, you know I'm going to do the research on it so you don't have to. You watch my videos that overanalyze gear so that you can buy with confidence, knowing that I've tested hundreds of grills and smokers and can honestly recommend the best option for you. But grilling is about more than just the grill. We firmly believe that shared experiences around food and fire is where real connection happens, and it's our goal to help you experience more connection in your life with friends and family. But if you've followed the channel for long, you know that I try to exhaust all research to find the perfect solution. I brought the same critical approach to flavor and created 3 new blends that we could eat every night, and we do, and still want more. Each is made from top quality ingredients, carefully balanced for maximum flavor, and free of any MSG or unnatural flavor enhancers. I'm excited to introduce 3 new spice blends: the Pork Protocol, the Feathered Formula, and the Essential Equation. These are the seasonings I wish I had when I first started grilling, and seasonings I would choose today after more than 25 years of outdoor cooking. First is the Pork Protocol. It's what we use on pork butts for pulled pork, ribs, and chops. It's designed for flavor first, but the color will keep you coming back every time you fire up the grill. The Essential Equation is our salt, pepper, garlic blend, and it's made for steaks, burgers, veggies, and anywhere that you'd use salt and pepper in your everyday cooking. There's 0 sugar in this blend, so it's ideal for keto and carnivore eaters as well. The Feathered Formula is our go-to for everything chicken and turkey. We love it on chicken wings, spatchcock turkey, bone-in thighs, and just so much more. We use this blend 3 to 4 times per week for family meals, and the kids love it. Whether you're cooking on a grill that feeds hundreds or in the air fryer between school and practice, this blend is designed to elevate chicken from mundane to magical. To make it easy to get these blends, we've launched a Kickstarter campaign. Now, if you aren't familiar with Kickstarter, it's a crowdfunding platform where you pledge to buy something from us, and then we make it and ship it to you when we hit our funding goal. Our campaign goes all the way through Cyber Monday, and then we ship everything so that you receive it before Christmas. We've designed Kickstarter exclusive offers to support every barbecue lover. Whether it's a single bottle with a custom Kickstarter badge or a full Grillmaster set with a bottle of all 3, there's a supporter tier for everyone. For the ultimate barbecue fan, we even have a VIP barbecue box and one-on-one coaching to take your grilling to the next level. We worked hard to build these tiers to make sure every backer can join the Barbecue Lab family. We even have some fun stretch goals built in, so as we gain on our campaign, we have some fun surprises for you. But this is where you come in. If you back our Kickstarter today, you'll be the first to get your hands on the first ever Barbecue Lab product. So many of you have asked us over the years how you could support the work that we do here, and this is the way. Join us by making a pledge, and together, let's elevate your grilling game. I'm David, and this is my lovely wife, Melissa, behind the camera. Scan the QR code here on the screen or click the link in the description below. And this holiday season, we thank you for your support in bringing the flavors of the Barbecue Lab to your backyard.